Priority areas are going to be over near the plant, where you see all the facilities and the buildings and the conveyor belt. So as a mineral resource specialist, we regulate the oil and gas industry in New York State. Our division, Division of Mineral Resources, does also regulate mines, which is why I'm out here today working with the colleagues in the Mined Land program to document this decommissioned mine site.
We're standing on, I think it's a almost 60 acre life of mine with over 35 of it affected by mining. And not everything is easy to get to. Some of the slopes go straight down into ponds. Some of them are in marshy areas that are just not easily accessible. So we asked the UAS pilot to come out and fly the drone over the property so that we could get a better idea and different viewpoints and vantages of this property.
As a DEC UAS pilot, I will come out and take aerial photographs of the site, so different areas where we want specific reclamation to occur. We'll take pictures, photographs of that, as well as just aerial photographs of the entire site, and do basically a video fly-through, so that people would in the office who don't have an opportunity to come out to the site can basically watch the video or look at the photographs and get a good assessment of the situation. And then I got photos basically strafing all the way across here and then in that little corner.
He's providing a benefit to us and getting to look at some of the buildings that need to be pulled down. And so yeah, that's why we brought the drone out.